If you've ever wanted to create YouTube shorts like Alex Hormozi, Grant Cardone, Vanessa Lau, or any of the big YouTubers, then you are in luck because I'll be showing you exactly how you can do it quick and easily using this free app called Capcut. Now, once you download Capcut, have your footage ready to upload, and this can be footage of you talking, or if you're in a niche where you don't show your face, you can download free stock footage online, and my favorite two websites are Pixabay and Pexels. And if you need help coming up with video ideas, scripting, and filming, then you can download my free book down below where I'll show you how to do that. Now, once you have your footage, go ahead and select it and then click Add. Step number 1 is to edit your footage. So you can click this scissor icon here, and there's a few different things that you can do. You can split the footage. You can also increase or decrease the speed. You can add in different transitions underneath animations. So for example, if I wanted to add in this one, then it adds in like that cool effect. And you just want to play around with these different features. I just showed you the main ones here, but you can also do things like crop your video if you need it. You can also add in filters. I like this feature here. You can make enhancements to your face. So if I wanted to clear up my face like that, then I can do that. But once you edit your footage, the next thing you want to do is you want to edit your audio. And CapCut gives you a lot of free music that you can pick from, so you can search for different songs. You can also add in different sound effects. So you can type in something like, whistling, and then you can add that in to your footage. You can also extract the audio from other pieces of video that you have. So for example, if I wanted to add in the sound of my dog, I could just extract the audio from that. I'm not going to do that at the moment, but it's good to know that CapCut has this feature. Now, if you're somebody who's in a niche where you don't show your face, you can also use this voiceover feature to add your voice and talking in the background. And then once you edit your audio, step number 3 is to edit your text. And so what you can do is you can add in text yourself, or you can add in stickers. But what I really like is this auto captions feature right here. So if I click it, it's going to take a few seconds to do it, but I'm going to give it a minute. Okay, so as you can see, CapCut auto-transcribed everything that I was saying in the video. So now it made captions out of this. So I'm just going to read through this really quickly to make sure that everything is accurate, that there's no errors. And right now, everything looks really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the timeline, and I'm going to make some edits to the text because, as you can see, I'm not a fan of the transitions and I don't like how small it is. So if I click right here and I click this pencil icon, now I can change the way that the text looks. So I'm going to start off with font, and I like this classic 2 here. I'm also going to make this text bigger, and I'm doing that just with my fingers, just expanding the text. Something that I'm noticing right now is that it only shows one word at a time, and you can change that underneath animations. So what I like, and this is a really popular one, is this showing up one. And something else I could do, if I hit this pencil icon, let's say that I wanted this word 2 ways to be a different color. Underneath style, I can pick which color I want that to be. And this is really similar to what a lot of people like Alex Hormozi and Grant Cardone are doing. They're changing the letters, they're adding in different emojis. And so you can do that because it keeps people very engaged. And so you can see that once I made those edits, that the rest of the text also shows that. So I'm just going to go through it and make a bunch of different edits. Like this one, for example, there needs to be an enter button just so that everything can fit. Okay, so I just went through and I edited all the text. I added in emojis. I changed some of the colors of the words. One thing I'm going to do is notice here how I had a call to action of download my free book. What you can also do with CapCut is you can add in an overlay. And so what this is it's basically an image. So if I click on it and I hit add overlay, I can go over to photos and I can pick the image that I want to place there. So here I told them to download my free book. And so I'm going to make adjustments to that. So I'm just going to tap it, pinch it, and move it down to where I want it to be. And then notice how now the book appears. And then one final thing before you export the video, notice at the end how Capcut adds in their logo. You can simply tap on it and then hit delete to get rid of that. And by the way, if you ever make a mistake, then you can simply tap this undo button right here. So when you're done, go ahead and tap export at the top right, and then you're all done. Now go ahead and try this for yourself and let me know what roadblocks you ran into so that I can try to help you. And if you want to edit using your computer, then CapCut is also free for PC. And I also created a free tutorial for iMovie if you're somebody with a MacBook. If you're somebody looking to use YouTube as a vehicle to make high income and impact, then there are ways outside of the YouTube monetization program in order to do so. And Shorts happens to be an excellent way to do so. And the strategy that I take is I use YouTube as top of the funnel organic traffic. So what this means is that I have a strategy to lead people from a free YouTube video or a short into a high ticket offer, such as a coaching program or a course. And a lot of people make this work as well with affiliate products and services. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, then I teach you exactly how in my YouTube Business Accelerator program, where overall I show you my 5-step money making process. And this pyramid here is perfectly in alignment with Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. And the top of the pyramid is self-actualization and contributing beyond ourselves. And so that's really the whole purpose of this. And if that sounds interesting to you, then you can apply down below. There is a link. And if I like your application and I think will be a good fit, then I'll reach out to you and then we'll go ahead and schedule a call and we'll go on from there. Thank you for watching this video, and please watch this next one all about how to make money and get subscribers with YouTube Shorts.